Amazon CloudWatch Agent collects internal system-level metrics from EC2 instances across operating systems. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things about the CloudWatch Agent in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1. You can install the CloudWatch Agent on both Amazon EC2 instances and on-premises servers, and on machines running either Linux, Windows servers, or Mac OS. Number 2. If you install the agent on an Amazon EC2 instance, the metrics it collects are in addition to the metrics enabled by default on the EC2 instances. Number 3. The default namespace for metrics collected by the CloudWatch agent is CWAgent, although you can specify a different namespace when you configure it. Number 4. The logs collected by the unified CloudWatch agent are processed and stored in Amazon CloudWatch logs, and the metrics collected by the CloudWatch agent are billed as custom metrics. Number 5. The custom metrics from your applications are retrieved using the statd and collectd protocols. Last but not the least, number 6. If you think you have found a potential security issue with the CloudWatch agent, do not post it on any public forum. Instead, please email AWS security directly. In summary, the Amazon CloudWatch agent allows you to collect metrics and logs from Amazon EC2 instances and on-premises servers across operating systems. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.